Okay guys, so here's some more Aoni, and the monster's probably right outside. Speak the truth. It's 1, 4, 1, 6, please. Yes. Probably gonna come out. No. Don't even know. That's why you're questioning me. Wait, I do. I do know where the next enemy is. Wait. Whoa. Wait. What's that? That looks like a torch. Is that the lighter? Fluid. The lighter fluid. Yay! Oh yeah. Item. Right there. Now where are you gonna come out, Aoni? Huh? Gonna scare me? Wait. Is this the nursery? Yes, it is. Mika! Oh, so you're safe. What the hell is? Wow, you got the money, so follow me. You get it? Like the house with a monster in it. I see. Well, fine. Stay here and die because I know what happens to you. Before I met Mika, when you walk out the door, just gonna come here. I don't even know where to go. Right here. I like the library. Mika. I was not expecting him. Was not expecting guest this hour. That scared me. The heck, mate? What the heck? Why was he in the library? I need my books. I need my books. Better not be here. Okay, nothing in the library. So I just got that jump scare for no reason. Great. Exactly. Awesome. That was great. Well, let's see if there's something. Anything? Nothing? Nope. I want to get to that jail, so... This sounds weird, but... Well, I am. Gosh. Why are we there? Oh. Okay. What do I have for items? Okay, nothing. Okay, great. I'm safe because I just outran him. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I don't even understand that puzzle. What's the point of it? Okay, anything in here? The same already did it. Anything in here? I'm literally going in random rooms. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. do I go? Do I have to push like a shelf? Because if I do, I can do that. I can manage. Apparently not. That's still broken. Like, what to do? Why do you have a random red couch? It's just... Why? Like, that episode here interesting.